Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Luvme hair, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I'm feeling like your man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I'm feeling like your man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time.
Okay, divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay, divas, so today we have this beautiful hair, but of course we're gonna have to get into this hairline first because I am blown away, okay? But today's video is being brought to you guys by Luvme Hair. I absolutely adore their units. I've tried different kind of their units, all different kinds for years. I've been working with them, so I really do like them. I love their headband wigs, and this wig I love even more, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into like how I feel about it. So this hairline, like, this is all wig. Like, this is the wig, it's not my hair, and it is melted to a T, okay? You guys seen what I used, and it is freaking melted. This lace is absolutely impeccable, okay? Like, it is unmatched. I didn't want to do too many baby hairs because I wanted to, because you guys seen I was gonna do baby hairs, like, going all along, but I wanted you guys just to see like how seamless the hairline is. So that's why I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna go in with too many baby hairs, just kind of a little bit in the middle, but I still allow you guys to see, you know, kind of how like the lace is. Like, this is all lace. Like, this is crazy. Like, at first I was like, is that my hairline? I was like, oh no, this is the wig, because like I could feel the products on there, and I'm like, wow, like, this is laid to a T. Like, this lace melts right into your skin, and I'm just like, I'm just so here for it. Like, this wig is definitely a slay. If you ever thought about like, let me invest in a wig, this is definitely the one, okay? Because as you guys can see, like, I could even put this like in a ponytail if I wanted to. And you guys know I don't usually lay my wigs, okay, like all the way. You guys know I be about that closure life, even if it's a frontal. But this one, this is amazing. Like, look at that. And no ball cap method. Can you guys believe this? Like, as to be expected, it is longer and it is a wave pattern, so I was expecting to at least receive a little bit of shedding and tangling, but it was nothing that was excessive. I love the overall density. I'm not sure what it is, but I will have all the information for this unit down in the description box below. But overall, like, this is amazing. Another thing that I really love is that this unit came prepared, okay? Like, it was pre-plucked, so all I did was go in and wash this hair. So I just washed it, conditioned it. It was also pre-bleach, and it was bleached enough to the point where I was satisfied with this, so I did not go in and bleach it either. All I did was go in, wash and condition it, and put a few products on it, and that's it. And I just overall love this hair. It's really nice hair, impeccable hairline. Like, this is definitely worth the buy. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. If I do have a coupon code, of course you guys know that I will put one, and I'm sure I will have one, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I do want to go ahead and thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. Let me know if you're going to be getting this unit. How well did you like this melt? Did you like, just tell me what you like, or if what you didn't like, or whatever. I would just love to hear you guys' feedback. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.